In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to play one of the most beautiful and timeless piano pieces ever composed, Canon in D by the German composer Johann Pachelbel. And don't worry, this is an easy version, perfect for beginners. We'll see the chord progression of this song, which, once learned, will make the song 100 times easier, and I'll guide you through every step in learning this iconic song. But before we start, please make sure to subscribe to the channel to see more tutorials of songs like this. Alright, so the chord progression of this song goes D, A, B minor, F sharp minor, G, D, G, and A. For the beginning, we will play the root notes or bass notes of each chord with the left hand. So we have 8 chords, and that means we'll have to play 8 root notes. So this is so easy as we start from D note, from this D note, and this is our middle C as a reference. So we play D, A, B, F sharp, G, lower D, G again, and A. So once again, a little faster. D, A, B, F sharp, G, D, G, and A. And this is what the left hand will play. Now let's see the melody. The melody is played with the right hand, just like 95% of the songs. For the first part, so like the intro part, having the middle C as reference, we go up an octave, and then we'll start from this F sharp. Then E, D, C sharp, B, A, B, and then C sharp. Now a little faster. F sharp, E, D, C sharp, B, A, B, and C sharp. Now let's play the melody and the bass notes with the left hand all together. Now a little faster. Alright, so once you can play this smoothly and without problems, in the next part we will play the second voice of the melody. That means we will play 2 notes at the same time with the right hand as follows. D and F sharp, C sharp and E, B and D, A and C sharp, G and B, F sharp and A, G and B, and then E and C sharp. This E right here. Now let's play all together with the left hand. So this is the intro of the song. Once you can play this correctly, we can move to the most iconic part of the song. Before we do, make sure to subscribe to the channel to see videos like this and learn the most iconic pieces and even your favorite songs. Now for the next part, which is like the chorus part, we will break it down into 4 sections, each section containing 2 bass notes with our left hand. So for the first section, we will play the notes A, F sharp, G, A, F sharp, G, A, and then from the lower A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G. just like the first 6 notes from A major scale. So we have once again, but this time a little faster and also with the left hand. In the next section, we'll play the notes F sharp, D, E, F sharp, and then an octave down to lower F sharp, G, A, B, A, G, A, F sharp, G, and A. Once again, a little faster. Now the first 2 sections are played. And now a little faster. And now with the left hand also. In the next section, we will play G, B, A, G, F sharp, E, F sharp, E, D, E, F sharp, G, A, and B. Once again, a little faster. And now one more time with the left hand also, starting from G. Now in the last section we will play G, B, A, B, C sharp, D, A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, and A, higher A. Once again, a little faster. And this time with the left hand also, we'll have the G note again here. And from the lower A, from this A, that was the A Mixolydian scale, which means that in the end any music is composed using random notes from any scale that sounds good together and is not just up and down, except, well, this song. Now the chorus part should sound like this. As soon as you can play the melody and the bass notes smoothly and correctly on both parts of the song, you can upgrade your left hand approach playing triads. So instead of playing only the bass notes, you can play the D major triad, A major triad, B minor triad, F sharp minor triad, G major triad, lower D major triad, G major triad again, and A major triad in the end. Just like this. Furthermore, you can play a nice professional pattern with your left hand consisting of the root, fifth, octave root and the major or minor third depending on the chord. So instead of D major triad, we play D, A, higher D, so octave D, and F sharp, which is the major third. Instead of A major triad, we play A, E, higher octave A, and C sharp, which is also the major third. And instead of B minor triad, we play B, F sharp, higher B, so octave B, and D instead of D sharp because it's B minor and we need that minor third. And we can play just like this. And this is how you play Canon in D. With some practice, you'll be playing so beautifully and correctly. Did you know I played this song on a bass guitar, but literally like on a piano? Check out this video. Spoiler alert. The bass was placed on a keyboard stand, never done before.